How to buy TST token on MEXC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do no research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, flash your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the CoinMarketCap. Sorry. If you want to buy this token, what you need to do, click on markets here and click on the MEXC, the pair here, click on it. So after you click on it, you will be able to redirect you to your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, you will be able to log into your account. And now, as you can see, you are on the page that you want to buy this token on it. So after that, click on buy here the option. Now select the limit or the market is the same. So after that, type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT. So after that, click on buy TST and you will be able to buy it on your account. If you select the market, drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after you set the percentage of that USDT you want to use, click on buy TST and you will be able to have it on your account. So this is how to buy TST token on MEXC. If you don't have if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.